Okay, so I'm just about to try this Augustus Race liquid rib cleaner. I've tried everything to get these tubes clean, so someone recommended this to me, so let's give it a go. I'm just going to spray a bit on here. Okay, I'm just going to gently. Wow. Wow, it's pretty impressive. Well, you can see the difference. I'm going to continue and I'll take a photo, half and half, or a little video. We can see what happens. Augustus Race Rib Tube Cleaner. And there we go. Look at that, that is incredible. I've tried everything to get these clean, and this is remarkable. Thank you for watching.